Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa and I'm a certified personal trainer and group exercise instructor. Today I'm going to lead you through a chair yoga class. So this is great for my MSers, people with Parkinson's, my seniors, all of those people or anybody who really can't get down to the floor. This is going to be so great for you, okay? We're going to do a whole workout, a whole yoga series right here on a chair. What you do want is a chair that does not have arms though. So pause me if you need to, go grab a chair just like that, like mine that has no arms, and then we're gonna get started. So once you're on your chair, I want you to sit up straight and tall, take a nice deep breath in, and roll those shoulders down and back. Exhale, inhale. Roll the shoulders down and back. Exhale. Excellent. Reach those arms up overhead. Reach up, look up. Exhale, arms over to one side. Inhale up through the center and exhale over to the other side. And inhale through the center and exhale, arms down. We're going to do a forward fold, coming forward, bringing your arms underneath you, hug your legs. Relax through your head. Inhale, bring it all the way back up. Sit up straight and tall. Reach up. Exhale, bring it all the way down. Forward fold. Good. Inhale, bring it up. Excellent. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, drop one arm down and leave the other one up. You can hang on to your chair if that helps you. Inhale through the center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale. And exhale as you reach up and over. Inhale. Changing sides one more time. Beautiful job. Turn and twist. So you're going to take your hand to the outside of your thigh and then your other hand to the back of the chair. Sit up straight and tall, turn and twist. Inhale back through the center, exhale and turn and twist to the other side. Inhale through the center, exhale, reach. Inhale through the center, exhale, and let's do it one more time on this side. Good, bring it back to the center. Extend those feet out, heels down, toes up. Inhale up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, come towards your feet. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, bring it up. Let's do that one more time. Reach forward. Good, and bring it back up. Now we're gonna bring those legs in. One leg goes to the side. The other leg is gonna come straight back. We're coming to the top of the chair here. You're gonna lift your chest up. Bring your arms out. We're going into warrior two. Good job, arm down, side angle reach. Bring it back, inhale, exalted warrior. Good, exhale, bring it back to the center, warrior two. How's that feeling for you? Pretty good, right? And bring it over, side angle reach. Inhale, exalted warrior. Beautiful job. Bring it back down. And we're going to change to the other side. So as you change, this leg goes that direction. This foot comes back and extends. Arms come out, reach out. Extend through those fingertips. Side angle reach. Bring it back to the center, hold. Inhale, exalted warrior. Good, exhale back to the center, warrior two. Side angle, reach. Inhale, and exalted warrior. Good job, bring it back to the center, walk those feet in, extend them out, inhale up, and exhale forward fold. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, forward fold. Last time through, inhale up. And exhale, forward fold. Bring it all the way back up. Bring those legs in. We're going to take one foot forward and one foot back. But this time our whole body is going to turn this direction. Warrior one. Good, bring those arms back behind you. Clasp them if you can and bring your chest down towards your thigh. Humble warrior. Extend that back leg out. So if you're struggling with this one, you're gonna pull your hands back. They can just be at the base of your spine. So those are different things that you can change. If you can't get your chest all the way onto the thigh, it's no big deal. You can be here, all right? And extend that leg back the best that you can. Hold. Inhale, bring it up. Reach the arms up, warrior one. Very nice. Bring the arms back and down behind you. Clasp them. If you want to bring them up, you can. And chest goes down right onto the thigh. Inhale, bring it back up. Arms come up, warrior one. And bring it back down. Nice inhale. And then exhale right into humble warrior. Inhale and bring it up. Exhale, come back through the center. Go to the other side. So we're going to turn. Good. Our whole body goes this direction. Lift those arms up, warrior one. Beautiful. Come forward. Humble warrior. Remember, this is fine. Inhale, bring it up. And exhale, bring it down. Right? You know the drill now. We did it on the other side. Tuck your tummy in. Inhale and bring it up. Every time I forget something, I tell you guys to do it, right? That's how it works. And exhale, bring it forward. That's okay. The camera only adds, what, 50 pounds? Bring it back up. Come to the center. This is called goddess. So your legs are out wide, and we're going to take those hands up. Reach over to one side. Bring it back up through the center. Inhale. Exhale to the other side. Excellent. Bring it back up through the center. Exhale to the side. Inhale back to the center. And exhale to the side. Excellent job. Bring those arms down. Bring the legs into the center. All right, we're going to sort of come to the edge of your chair if you can. If that's not comfortable for you, you can sit all the way back against the back of your chair. Okay, you guys choose. And we are going to come to a seated tree. So you're going to take one leg up above your knee. Then we're going to press the hand down slightly to get a stretch right along in here, okay? Now you can bring your hands up to heart center. Excellent job, release. Take that leg down. Let's change to the other side. We bring it up, hold it here, press down lightly. Good, hands to heart center. Excellent job. Bring it back to the center. Arms come all the way up, reach up. Good job, arms come down. Inhale. Exhale. Apparently we're doing some yoga here with the dog. Should we do down dog? Just kidding. All right, we're taking another deep breath in. Exhale down. Excellent job. You guys have a great day. If you've liked this, then subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more chair yoga to help you out. There's plenty of exercise videos with hard yoga, but not as many with chair yoga. So hopefully you guys like this. If you do, give me a like, give me a comment. If there's something specific you want to work on, then let me know. Namaste.